Picking up a full compactor receiver box takes the special skill of an experienced driver. But even the most experienced drivers sometimes pull away from a power unit without disconnecting the hoses to the compactor, resulting in costly repair and hydraulic oil cleanup. But there is a solution. Introducing the Compactor Dual Breakaway safety system. The Dual Breakaway has quick-release couplers that automatically disconnect the power unit hoses as the receiver box pulls away. So while drivers may forget to disconnect the hoses, the Dual Breakaway never does. Power unit repair and hydraulic oil cleanup can range from $1,000 to well over $5,000 and can involve the EPA. The Dual Breakaway will cost you less than $300 and can be installed in less than 15 minutes with basic tools. The Dual Breakaway is the perfect insurance policy for high-profile customers that can't afford compactor downtime and for compactors located near storm drains or natural water sources. Mistakes will happen, but they don't need to keep costing you. Contact Impact today to learn more about the Dual Breakaway.